The incident yesterday was a clear manifestation that there is now really an attempt to serve the warrant of arrest, and it cannot be justified even under Section 17 of Republic Act 9851. Certain so-called experts would like you to believe that it is the legal justification for the supposed implementation of an arrest warrant from a foreign court. Now, I will politely tell them that that is not true, because if you will read the first paragraph of Section 17, it would state that it is
Nawawala po kayo, Attorney.
shall implement the provisions of RA 9851. It is it is
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
mandatory. It is mandatory. And it is the local state which is referred to under paragraph A. In paragraph A, in the interest of justice, and it may be, it may not prosecute, or it may, if the circumstances, cited therein would be present. So it means that the second paragraph is even permissive. There is no obligation on the part of the state to implement the same. And besides, there is no legal justification for the implementation of surrender, because until now, there is no law that would provide the procedural framework as to how it will be implemented. There is even no Supreme Court rules as to determine how it will be properly implemented. So in effect, insofar as surrender is concerned, our law is silent. Extradition, yes, we already have the extradition rules, but surrender has no legal framework upon which the procedure, in order for it to be implemented, is absent. Wala pong ganun. Kaya nga, ang sinasabi namin, hindi po pwede na yung ICC warrant lang ay idiretso mo, i-implement, tapos dakpin mo si Senator Bato at dalahin mo kaagad doon sa Netherlands without passing through local courts. Kasi nga, yung Section 17 ay wala pa pong legal procedural framework to implement surrender.
Yes, sir. Sir, I understand what you're
Pero,
saying.
Attorney, yung ibang abogado.
I understand what you're saying na there's a word
Yes,
may
yes po.
dispense with the investigation. So it is not obligatory in the part of government. However, the law does seem to give the government that prerogative when it says that it may dispense with an investigation and
Pero
prosecution
kung
locally.
basahin mo, yes, it may. It may, absent any other available choices, it may do that. But it should be pursuant to existing extradition laws and treaties. Do we have an extradition law? Yes. But we do not have a treaty on surrender. So even if you will base it under Article 89 of the Rome Statute, still you must follow Article 59 likewise, which states that the procedure by which the ICC processes should be followed should pass through local judicial procedures, through local courts. Kaya nga hindi po pwede na dakpin mo lang kaagad, hindi ka dadaan sa ating Korte Suprema, sa ating mga korte, without following the 1987 Constitution that states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law.
Yes, sir.
Kailangan siya bigyan ng due process ng ating mga local na korte. Kaya pasensya na po doon sa ating mga kaibigan ng mga local experts, medyo mali po sila doon sa mga pananaw nila na yun.